discuss. Chapter 37 we'll discuss. The chapter is about our earth. So some information about earth is given. List 15 questions are already there in your book. Okay. And two of them in the facts corner, that also we'll discuss. Okay. So the first question you will prepare here, what is Pangaea? What do you know about Pangaea? Clear? What do you know about Pangaea? It is actually 300 million years ago. All the continents were the part of a same continent, a large continent that is known as Pangaea. Afterwards, these are divided into different continents. We know that we have seven continent and five oceans. This we know actually. So afterwards, it has divided. But before, all the continents are actually part of a one large continent. That name is Pangaea. Clear? You will just write the first question, that what do you know about Pangaea? Clear? Second question, you see, that is the study. What is the study of Earth's landscapes, people, places and environments? That is geography. First one is geography. Okay. Geography. Number two, let's see. The outer layer of the earth is known as crust. The outer layer of the earth is known as crust. Okay. What is the outer layer of the earth? Like that question you will prepare and you will write the answer. Clear? Dash is a group, or what you know about ecosystem. First one in question will be like that. What is ecosystem? You'll prepare the question like that. What is ecosystem? An ecosystem is a group of living and non-living things that interact with in specific area. Ecosystem. Clear? Fourth point, you see, what do you know about biosphere? Biosphere refers to the parts of the earth or area inhabited by living things. It is the sum of all the earth's ecosystems. So, fourth one will be biosphere. Clear? Fourth one will be biosphere. Number 5, you see, the layer of air that surrounded all over is known as atmosphere. Air, atmosphere. Okay. Number 6, you see, the layer what is earthquake or dash is caused by the movement of tectonic plates on the surface of the earth. Earthquake. Clear? Number 6 will be earthquake. Earthquake. Number 7, you see, the equator. What is equator? An equator is an imaginary line that divides the earth into northern and southern part. Clear? Hemisphere. Two hemisphere, it is actually part north and south. This part, this is known as equator. Clear? It is known as equator. So, equator. After that, hydrosphere. What do you know about hydrosphere? The hydrosphere includes ocean, seas, lake, river, okay, ponds and streams. These are all water bodies related with hydrosphere. So, number 8 will be hydrosphere. The soil and rock layer of the earth is known as the lithosphere. What is lithosphere? The soil and rock layer of the earth is known as lithosphere. Then dash is southernmost point, south pole, and northernmost point is known as north pole. 11 number done. Number 12, you see, the number of people per unit of area is known as population density. It's known as population density. Then magma. What is magma? Magma is the molten rock under the earth, is known as magma. A graphic representation of the earth's surface is called a map. What is map? Question you will frame. What is map? Clear? What is map? That question you will frame. What is Pangaea? First only I will say. What do you know about Pangaea? What do you know about Pangaea? Is it? These two questions will frame. Then after that, you see, there are 5. How many oceans are there? 5 oceans are there and 7 continents are there. These two questions also prepare. There are 5 oceans and 7 continents there in the world. They are done. Then facts corner, you see, Arctic Ocean is about 10 times smaller than Pacific Ocean, the smallest one. And Africa is the continent that has maximum number of countries. Which continent has maximum number of countries? Africa is the continent which has maximum number of countries. These two questions also you will include there. Clear? So just write down all the questions whatever I have said in the copy, and with that, these all fill in the blanks as a question answer form you will write in your copy. Clear? Till then, thank you class.